Alright. So, what you want to do for your EK1 is basically find a fuse that will turn on when the car is on and turn off when the car is off. And if you look at the panel here, what I used, I don't even remember. 3. So I use the power outlets, which makes sense. I normally personally never use them, so they have more than plenty of power for all my stuff to run off of. Whatever, can't focus. So what I'm about to do is go, and I'm gonna tap on this. Since it's my tap add a fuse, it's about the same as literally wiring up in the fuse, like some of the videos you can see online for the installation. The only difference I'll do is I'm gonna solder up my blue wire directly on this, and it's safer too because I have like 2 fuses. I have the regular 20 amp for the power outlet, and I got another one on top of it doing basically the fuse for the EK1 and my water methanol system. Alright, so this is what they look like. This is what I'm gonna use to add to this red wire. So I just wrapped around my cable around here. So this is literally just to test, see if it works, because I know this will have power. So it's time to plug it in and then plug the battery in just to see. So next step would be to go find your OBD right under fuse box and plug it in. Alright. So this is basically what I call a dry run. So it's really just to put power on and see if everything works before I solder this and I start like hiding the wires and making it all neat and stuff. Oh. Perfect. Alright. Now it's on. I want to see if I turn it off. If it turns off. goes in here. See it right at the end there. Not this, but see it. Popping it off here. Now I'm gonna adjust for the loose and stuff. Just make sure that it's neat. Now I'm gonna clean the loose up, including my old wires from my water mitt stuff, and then we'll try to launch it and start the car with it. So now, when everything is pretty much tucked in, like whatever the way you want to do it, it's your choice. For me, I tied most of my stuff. There's like a loop in the steering column, and I tied most of my stuff in there. Ground. So test it for the final time, and then actually properly mount the EK1. Perfect. Alright, just wait until it shuts down. Nice. So that was quickly the install of the EK1 Pro. So really, there's no really extremely big challenges involved other than messing up with the fuses and disconnecting your ground. It's not really a challenge, just like recommended steps that you should really be doing. Other than that, it's really straightforward. Like, it's hella simple for what it is. So I can't wait to actually get my ECU, receive my tune, install it, and see how it goes. Thanks a lot.